ABC4 News Midday. We have made it the farthest out since I've been with you on Midday Weather School. It's a Bear River today, Century Elementary. All of our fourth grade classes, right? Right? All right. Thank you so much, Miss Shea. Thanks so much, Mr. Vincent. And thanks so much to Miss Snow, right? Did I get those names all correct? Awesome. You appreciate your teachers out here? Yeah. Well, I hope you do. Did you know what last week was? Well, wait a minute here. What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan, what was last week?
Teacher Appreciation Week.
I hope you really appreciate your teachers, do you not? Awesome. Why don't you give them a round of applause for such a great school year? Awesome. Well, everybody here has been great listeners. We've had something unique, not only being the farthest away that we've been here for our Midday Weather School from Salt Lake and ABC4 News, but we also have something today that I have never had that we do have today. We mentioned this. It's a risk for severe storms. We'll get right to it. We'll answer that question. It was an easy one. But there is only one small chance that we could get something to happen today, because when we talk severe storms, what's going to be topping that list? Let's go through it. We talked about it before, but we'll talk about it again. I'll make it easy on myself so I don't have to move. That's the truth of the story. But this young lady right here, what's your name?
Kelsey.
Okay, Kelsey, when we talk severe thunderstorms, what's kind of topping our list? Let's go through the things. What makes storms severe?
Hail.
Okay. Hail to the size of what? What size?
A quarter.
A quarter, which is how much in diameter? What size and length?
About an inch.
About an inch. She's on a roll, like a quarter. What else would make those storms severe?
Tornadoes.
Tornadoes. Interestingly, that's almost what I wanted to talk about. There's one more thing Kelsey didn't mention that can make that storm severe, and it would be, I'm going to get up a little bit here. What's your name?
Chloe.
Chloe, what's the last thing that would make that storm possibly severe?
58-mile wind.
That's exact, and you got the speed absolutely correct. Great listening. But it's the tornado threat today. Our tornado threat, thankfully enough, is what here, Bear River? Well, maybe this will be an all-ladies answer show, which is great. My daughter is one of those who loves the severe weather too already. What's your name?
Anna.
Anna, so that our tornado threat here in Bear River, and the rest of Utah for that matter, what's good news is actually it is a what today?
2% chance.
Less than a 2% chance today, which is great. Do we think that's a good chance? That's a pretty good chance. Do you think we would want to find a tornado today? No, and I'm with you on that. Now, we went through this because that's something that, I didn't mention this, but I'm kind of a fan of tornadoes, at least researching them and finding out how they form and finding out more of if we could stop them or know more about them. But the only way we could get a tornado today would be some sort of little special case scenario tornado. And if it would happen, we don't think it would do that much damage. What's your name?
Hogan.
Hogan, so what we call the special case scenario tornado?
Gust tornado.
Gust tornado. Put those two words together. What would we call that one? A gust.
Of wind.
What's the other part of that? Gust and tornado, it would be a gust.
Circulation.
What's the second half of tornado?
Doe.
Right. So it's a gust. Gust what?
Ado.
Gust-nado. But you're right, Hogan. You're exactly right. A special case, a gust front tornado. And that was great listening skills. So if we get one today, that's about the only chance we would get one. The thing is, I don't think it's going to happen today. When's it going to arrive? Around 5 o'clock or thereafter. Good listening, because we'll tell you right now when to expect those storms to where you are. In the meantime, winds, they have been strong. I'm going to step out of the way so everybody here who looks a lot better than I do today, I can tell you, who's dressed better, can be seen. Stay and wave hi to Miss Abby over there. She's the one to look out for. There's the winds right now, how strong they are. There's the wind gusts. Let me tell you, with south winds, we've brought in some warmth. Even with clouds that have moved in ahead of that storm, we're still mild 60s and 70s. I see not the only one in shorts here, Bear River, but there's the big storm just to our west. So the heart of the matter, the pinpoint futurecast forecast, once we get this afternoon, chance of showers arrives. But once we get to beyond, just as our gentleman up front was, your name again? Ryan said earlier, after 5 p.m. looks to be the likeliest round for the possible strong to severe storms, if not maybe closer to sunset and thereafter. That's when we can have these possibly severe storms. Our risk today is what we deem a marginal risk. Does that sound that bad? You're right. It doesn't sound that bad. So that word marginal is good news for us. A strong wind gust, maybe some hail could come. And that's our primary threat today. Southern Utah, St. George, and Cedar City, you might find these storms a little bit earlier after 2 to 3 o'clock, but then looking for strong wind gusts and hail is that primary threat. Already to the St. George 7-day forecast, mid to upper 70s, the exact same. I don't know if I've ever had the exact same high temperature for both Cedar City and St. George, but I do today. St. George goes to mid 60s tomorrow, though. Here in Bear River, we're looking for the high today into the 70s, but tomorrow the high temperature is only going to be into the 50s. Did you put your winter gear away yet? Kinda not. And I think almost everybody else is just along with that answer. Well, maybe you're going to want a heavier coat because tomorrow coming into school, it's going to be a little bit colder. Century Elementary, thank you so much for having me out today. At ABC4 News, we often like to say we're good for Utah. So can you help me out and say good for Utah on the count of 3 and wave goodbye? Okay. At ABC4 News Midday, we are 1, 2, 3.